Clubhouse, hype or trend, and how useful is it for your nonprofit? Hello, I'm Daniel Schwenger, a digital marketing and nonprofit expert. With this podcast, I would like to reflect on how nonprofit organizations can profit from the digital marketing. Today, we are talking about Clubhouse, the new audio-based social network app. It's a prime example of how to create real hype in the digital age. A closer look shows that there are reasons behind the excitement because the concept of social audio is so innovative and promising. Clubhouse is an audio-only app wherein you can discuss live with others or just listen into so-called rooms. It is audio only, no video included and no messaging. The app was officially launched on the iOS App Store in September 2020. In a period of just 6 months till March 2021, it has seen 13 million downloads. Clubhouse has increased its user base by 5 to 6 times, especially since January. The app grew significantly in popularity after major tech influencer Elon Musk appeared. Influential entrepreneurs, venture capitalists, and celebrities followed and shared their insights and viewpoints. Internationally, Clubhouse is most popular within the US, Japan, Germany, Brazil, and Russia. So, what's so special about the app? What are its benefits? In sum, Clubhouse is an authentic way to interact with people and brands. The human voice is mankind's oldest and fastest medium. Hearing people's real voices touches us and can help build new connections faster and in a deeper way. The Clubhouse app links directly to Instagram and Twitter, so it quickly builds your follower count and reinforces your social presence. A special feature of Clubhouse, there are no replays. As soon as the talk is over, the conversations are gone forever. This could be considered a negative feature, but it encourages the audience to spend time on the app to avoid missing out. Blogger Neil Patel highlights the absence of screen fatigue as an essential feature setting of Clubhouse. Unlike Facebook and Instagram, you can consume audio passively, meaning that you can still be fully engaged while driving to work and take part in meaningful discussions. Clubhouse also increases mobility. It is not necessarily to be glued on your seats and have complicated preparations like for a Zoom call. Michael Steltzner from the Social Media Examiner, one of the major social media blogs, writes, "It's been a long time since we've had this kind of energy about a new platform. The early days of Clubhouse have been similar to how social media started out, where anybody could be a star and have his or her own show." Here is how NGOs and nonprofits can benefit from using Clubhouse. First, build relationships. Clubhouse offers a powerful way to make new connections with supporters, media, donors, and businesses. Nonprofits can use it as an opportunity to invite people to a new relationship where both parties benefit. Large organizations like WWF, Doctors Without Borders, IFRC, and Greenpeace, and international organizations such as the United Nations Human Rights Office have already built their standalone or individual profiles on Clubhouse. Your Clubhouse profile might be a new line on your nonprofit social media handles or businesses' emails, but you will be seen, found, and followed. It may also allow you to build an engaged community besides growing your sphere of influence. Stand out as an expert. Clubhouse allows individuals from your organization to stand out as experts by creating rooms on the mission you're passionate about, or if you are promoted to speakers and moderators. You can contribute to valuable conversations and can quickly establish yourself as an expert in the field. This can lead to new supporters and new donors. Brand awareness. Regardless of what room you enter, you will be representing your nonprofit. You have the opportunity to not only highlight your organization's mission, but to educate about your mission and help others to better understand the services and value that your organization can offer. Test new ideas. Startups use their Clubhouse communities to ask for feedback on new features. Thus, it can serve as your focus group for new content ideas or outreach strategies. If you are still trying to figure out what topic to cover for your next blog post or what fundraising story to highlight, you can create a room, pitch the idea, and ask for feedback. You can also join public rooms, gauge the story, and hear on the room's immediate reactions. You can also join public rooms, gauge a story or topics, and hear the room's immediate reactions. Someone might recommend a tweak or a point of view that you have not considered. This allows you to decide whether to move forward with the idea or cross it off your list. Co-create and exchange. Clubhouse conversations ought to be fast-paced, direct, and relevant. They offer the possibility to exchange ideas with experts from other organizations or sectors and learn from them. It is a give and take where your contributions are rewarded with insights, expertise, and new networks of excellence. Stay updated. Clubhouse is listening to cutting-edge knowledge and news. You can follow influential people in your field, keep tabs on your other players, and listen into your areas of expertise. This allows you to keep up with current news and trends in the sector. Launch your events and raise funds. As you grow your audience on Clubhouse, you can use it according to your schedule, announce meaningful news, and run your events. Is your organization about to issue a new report or a new fundraising initiative? Schedule a Clubhouse room in advance and educate the audience about the most important points. It provides you an opportunity to orchestrate the story, bring your main points forefront, and initiate meaningful discussions with your audience and potential donors. Clubhouse has its downsides too. The app is not accessible to the impaired hearing. One of the biggest disadvantages of Clubhouse is the lack of moderation during hate speech, verbal abuse, and harassment. As Clubhouse expands, verbal abuse and harassment towards users may become a bigger problem. Clubhouse is available only on iOS Apple mobile devices. However, the app will be rolled out for Android and made available for millions of more users soon. Clubhouse has received a lift during the COVID-19 pandemic, where it offered the possibility to communicate during the lockdown. The trend on social audio is likely to stay as competitors as Facebook, Twitter, and Discord are working on rivaling apps. Overall, there's a huge opportunity on this app right now. Unlike some other social media apps, Clubhouse offers tangible short-term and long-term benefits, which businesses and nonprofits can benefit. Here are the final tips. Be a first mover. As time goes on, we may not be able to access the featured speakers as easily as we can do right now. This also goes for the unique user and profile names that will be gone on a first-come, first-served basis. Would you like to find out more about Clubhouse? This is how you get started. Download the app from the Apple's App Store. Open the app and set up your username. The app is by invite only by existing users. There might already be someone who has your number in the phone book who will get an alert and will let you in. Or look around your community. You can find existing users on the website clubhousedb.com. When you are in, make the most of it. Show in your bio what value you can offer. Make sure to use specific keywords in the first 3 lines. This will facilitate your profile to be found and to be connected. This is it this week. I will be back with new updates on the top NGO and non-profit related stories on trends, transformation, and technology from around the world. Have a look in the notes for related links and the video of this podcast. Thanks and bye-bye.